Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 48 hours, all the sectors of crypto have been very unpredictable because the whole market is going sideways. Some tokens are blowing up, some tokens are going down. There is no such trend, but Dogecoin has been holding on to its price pretty well. The reason for this is the greed chart is showing that it is too high. While there is a lot of whales which are accumulating Dogecoin as the price is starting to stay a little bit below 17 cents. Also, you guys can see the happy Tipping Tuesday Doge family has been trending quite heavily on Twitter, and another whale which is buying significantly as well. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now first of all, I want to discuss with you something important. Now, if you do not know, the higher the grid goes, that means more and more people are trying to make more profit. That is pretty much the time that you should be taking profit rather than trying to make more profit. That's just a hand rule that everyone follows in crypto and all of the stock market in general. Now if we talk about Bitcoin, you guys know that since 72k, which was hit about 48 hours ago, we have not seen any significant move, but there is a significant move such as Dogecoin that's still holding on to its 9th spot, but Shiba Inu losing a spot to AVAX. Now keep in mind, Dogecoin is still doing pretty well in terms of trading volume as well, but the trading volume is slowly taking a little bit of a pullback. What I'm trying to say is about, I'd say 3 days ago, Dogecoin was 8th or the 7th most traded crypto. Now slowly you can see that one by one, there has been other cryptos which are taking a little bit ahead compared to Doge. I mean, if we just see the most traded, you can see that AVAX has taken the spot above. It's not a big difference, but there is still a difference. Now, at that time, you can see that there are some whales such as this one. Just in the last 24 hours, they have purchased all of these trades and all of them have been green. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 with $1.5 million to $1.6 million purchases gives you about $13 million worth of Dogecoin that's been purchased by the single wallet, which is the second largest holder. On the other end, Tipping Tuesday. Now this is really interesting because everyone on Twitter has been trying to do this. On Tuesday, they want to, give people some tips relating to Dogecoin. And you know what's interesting is this is another example of Tipping Tuesday, and you guys can see that this is what's causing all of this. Now you guys know that X payments has been announced at the start of this year. After it was announced, what was the problem? They have not made any sort of tweet. It's been nearly 3 months or 2.5 months. We're getting closer to April and everyone is expecting their first announcement to be on 1st of April. If they say that X Payments is going to be accepting Dogecoin, this is something that you will be seeing. And this was not posted by some random person. This was actually posted by its CEO, who has over 460,000 followers on Twitter. On the other end, this is causing the whole community to start doing this even before this is implemented into Twitter or X. So this just gives perspective to everyone that this is such a common thing and everyone should already be used to it. So this is just really good because this is going to cause everyone to be more used to it, and when it is announced, it's going to have a lot more positive impact on the price of Doge. Market turns red, Bitcoin, Tron, Doge, everything is down. What is happening? Well, if you just go down and actually make your way to Dogecoin, you guys will understand that Dogecoin has been actually holding onto its price a little bit better than other things, because if you pay attention to other cryptos such as Shiba Inu, you pay attention to Pepe, which is also doing quite well, but at the same time it's not being able to hold the price as strong as Dogecoin. And as I've mentioned before, Dogecoin will definitely be the market leader when it comes to the market going parabolic. And you can see, even when we look at the price action, the price of Doge has been quite stagnant. This is a day chart, and you guys can see that the price is still in an uptrend, but we did see a lot of profit taking. We go into a consolidation zone and the price moves forward when we enter into April. Now, I have mentioned this before. April is going to be a really big month for Dogecoin. 3 big dates. 1st of April, 15th, 20th. First, it's April Fool's. Elon has tweeted relating to Dogecoin around April 1st quite a few times. Is he going through some trouble with SEC in the background? And maybe he might be slowly getting away from that as he's getting back into meme posting. On the 15th was the time when the cycle causes the Dogecoin price to go very parabolic. Will that be the same case? I mean, last time Dogecoin price went up about 250% on the 15th of April, and on the 20th it's obviously 420. And you guys can see eye-opening chart. That's exactly what it is showing. The uptrend is carrying on. We have broken out of the downtrend, and now we have another explosive move coming in very soon. Looking at Doge, we are currently consolidating above the previous micro resistance, which is now the support. Preferably we want to hold this area and continue to consolidate before the leg higher. Based on the history, the consolidation period should be 1 to 4 weeks. We're on the 2nd week. By the end of March, that will be the 4th week. That's going to be the time when a lot of people will be paying attention to Dogecoin. Doge price prediction on the 12th of March. The way it is going, it has declined 2% today, but the price action still shows that we might be seeing a big bullish move very soon. And once we get over the 20-cent barrier, there might be a lot of bullish movement yet to come in. Now, Dogecoin remains firmly ahead of Shiba Inu Pepe in an important metric. Now, per data from the market intelligence platform, Dogecoin has 6.3 million holders compared to Pepe, which is on 170k, and Shiba Inu that's just on 1 million. I mean, this just shows how many more people around the world have actually heard of Dogecoin, and that's the strongest meme token, even though Shiba Inu has very similar market cap to Dogecoin, but it's very highly concentrated to the whales compared to Dogecoin, which a lot more people are holding on to. I mean, in 2021, that was the problem that Elon was wanting to solve, which was a lot of Dogecoin was concentrated to the top whales, and that was obviously changed over time as more and more people decided to buy into it. Whale activity, Dogecoin is being transferred. $27 million worth of Doge was transferred to Robinhood. Is this the time when this whale is going to be deciding to sell? Well, that will be interesting to see. Altcoin market shows mixed performance, and everything is really hard to predict because the market is trying to stay sideways while we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event, which will be in mid-April. What's really interesting is 15th of April is around the time when Dogecoin decides to explode, but that's around the time that the Bitcoin halving event also happens. So there must be some sort of connection, and we are just nearly over it. And another article covering the $150 million transfer. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.